Hey, I'm Alex, and we're going to do some night driving. Driving at night brings a whole bunch of different challenges compared to driving during the day, and there's several important things for you to be aware of to drive safely. We're going to hop in the car with an experienced driver, and I'll talk you through it. First things first, turn on your headlights. Turning the lights on will also light up your dashboard. You should always have your headlights on if you're driving between 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise on the next day, or any other time when you can't see things on the road 100 metres away. Now, let's get used to driving with your lights on. Here's some tips. Make sure your lights are on low, not full beam, when you're following a car or have cars coming towards you, so you don't blind them. If someone full beams you and you can't see clearly, look to the left-hand side of the road. Don't look at their lights or look at the centre of the road. If you're being full beamed in your rear view mirror, just adjust it by tilting the lever underneath your mirror, and it won't distract you. Now you know what to do with your lights. Here's some more tips for learning to drive at night. Make sure you clean your windscreen before you start driving. This will make it easier to see the road and reduces glare. Increase your following distance to 4 seconds. It's harder to judge speeds at night, so this will give you more time to react. Adjust your speed to suit the conditions. You must be able to stop safely within the distance that's lit up by your headlights, or in half that distance if the road doesn't have a centre line. Look out for cyclists, pedestrians and animals, as they're all harder to see at night. Stay alert, as lots of accidents happen at night. If you feel tired, pull over and take a break. Now you've got a really good idea about how to make driving at night easier and safer. When you're practicing, start off in quiet, suburban areas with lower speed limits. This will help you get used to driving at night. When you're confident, head out and try night driving on some rural roads with higher speed limits.